going on, everybody? So I was just in California paying over $6 a gallon. Gas not in California? Here you go. And this is not even the cheapest in town. This also has a sales tax attached to it. Gas not in California. Here you go. In California, it's stupid doo-doo dumb. Does the gas, is it any different? No. It's the same. Does the gas in California guarantee longevity on your car? No. It's the same. Who's screwing who? Is it our governor? Probably. I don't like that guy. I don't know. What do you think? Stupid doo-doo dumb.